Hey there, what's up everyone? Today we'll be making one of my favorite Chinese takeaway starters, salt and pepper spare ribs. There are a few ingredients and condiments you'll need to gather, but I promise you it'll be worth it as these ribs are super tasty and delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, first of all we need to deal with our spare ribs. What I have here is a very nice rack of ribs. Get a cleaver. Cut them into smaller pieces. Start from one end, you feel where there's a bone, you go in between the bones and you open up each individual rib. It should be quite soft. Now when you get to the harder bits, you will need to chop. And what I like to do is halve it again, so you get a nice reasonable length rib. Aim and go down with the knife in one motion. If you have a bigger piece here, halve it first and you can halve it again so it cooks easier. Into a bowl. So what we need to do now with the spare ribs, we need to soften it up and tenderize it. 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate soda, and we're going to add some cold water and cover it just over the ribs. Give it a quick mix. So just let this sit for about half an hour, and now we're going to prep the veg. Onion, diced into cubes. Into a bowl. Spring onions, chopped finely. Carrot, cut it into small cubes. Some peppers. Chili, slice at an angle. I'm using 1 whole chili here. And there's your vegetables. Add a teaspoon of dehydrated garlic, some chili and garlic sauce, about 1 teaspoon. This will really enhance the flavor of your salt and pepper. Chop up some ginger and garlic. So the spare ribs is ready to be drained out. Give it a quick rinse, put it in a big bowl. Now we're going to marinate the spare ribs. I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of MSG, about half a teaspoon of salt, less than half a teaspoon of sugar. You don't want to put in too much sugar. Your ginger and garlic in, crack in an egg, some sesame oil, some 5-spice powder, literally only about this much. This is custard powder. You can get these from any supermarket and it'll really enhance the flavor of your spare ribs. Put in a teaspoon. This is a very good condiment to have. Some ginger powder. This is optional, but it will make your spare ribs really tasty. About half a teaspoon goes in. And now we give it a mix. Mix all the flavors into the ribs. So just let your spare ribs marinate for about half an hour, or for better results, put a piece of cling film over it and put it in the fridge. Leave it overnight. Alright guys, so the spare ribs are ready for frying, but first of all we need to coat it in batter. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Potato starch flour and some self-raising flour. So what we're going to do is start with a big teaspoon of each. Mix it in. You can use your hands. See how the spare ribs is thickening up? That is the texture you want. You want it to be very nice and gloopy. I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of potato starch flour, and that should do the job. There you are guys, that is exactly what you are after. Let's get frying. I also have a salt and pepper mix here. Ingredients for that right now on the screen, and also some Shaoxing cooking wine. Now we have our ingredients guys, we're ready to start cooking. Wok on. Oil, about this much. Heat up your oil. Heat up your oil to about 170 degrees. See how there's smoke coming out now. Nice and hot. Get your spare ribs ready. Find a bigger piece first because they'll take longer to cook. In slowly. Gently so you don't burn yourself. Give it a shake. That should be enough for 1 round. Don't touch it yet. Give it about 20 seconds. Get yourself a flat ladle and just flip it like so. Yeah. Break up the spare ribs. That's frying nicely now. Once the spare ribs have all separated, you can see how the batter is forming. We're going to let it gently fry for about 4 minutes. See how the bubbles are coming out? That's the spare ribs cooking. Right, it's been about 3 minutes, and for the final minute, we're going to turn it on high heat to make the spare ribs extra crispy. Cheers. Right, off the heat and strain it out. Look at these spare ribs. Right, set it aside, quick wash. Heat up your wok again. Oil. Vegetables in. Fry it. Yeah. Spare ribs. Toss. Salt and pepper. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times. Cooking wine. There you are. And now we serve. This is how you make salt and pepper spare ribs. One of my absolute favorite, honestly. Can't wait to try it. Spare rib. Oh, that is so good. Full of flavor and a great meal to impress your friends and family. Hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!